Hey there, today I'm going to show you how to add a banner to your Shopify website. If you're new to Shopify, don't worry. I'll walk you through every step so your online store looks professional and appealing. Let's dive in. First, log into your Shopify admin panel. Once you're in, head over to Online Store from the left-hand menu. This section controls the visual elements of your store, and it's where we'll add that eye-catching banner. Next, click on Customize. This opens the theme editor, your playground for all design tweaks. Here, you'll see your current banner. Click on it, then hit Select Image to either upload a new picture or choose one from your existing library. Pick an image that represents your brand or current promotions, then click Done to set it as your banner. Want to make your store even more dynamic? You can add a second image for a rotating banner effect by repeating the same process. Select another image and confirm no. Let's make sure your text stands out. Adjust the image overlay opacity until your text is readable but stylish. This small tweak can make a huge difference in your store's look and feel finally. Don't forget to hit save. This locks in all your changes and updates your live site with your new banner. And that's it. Your Shopify store now has a fresh professional banner that will attract visitors and create a more engaging shopping experience. Thanks for watching. Be sure to explore more tips and tutorials to take your Shopify store to the next level.